Hi everyone, this is Cage Vlogs, si Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video, ang Barda compilation for today's video. But before anything else, tatanungin ko kayo, hindi nyo sinagot kahapon yung ulam ko ha. Ayan ha. Wait lang, kukunin ko lang yung tea ko. Can you give me my tea? Wait lang, kasi may tea tayo dito for today's video. So I won't take any longer, agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video, ang Barda compilation, and at the same time, hindi nyo sinagot kahapon yung tanong ko talaga na parang, okay, syukran. Aywa, mag-tea tayo muna bago tayo. Hindi pa tayo nakapag-almusal, pero chismis ang inuna natin. So, hindi niyo sinagot kahapon sa akin yung aking tanong kung anong ulam ninyo para at least may engagement tayo. Alam ko na kung taga saan kayo, taga Antique, taga Marinduque, taga Mindoro, Masbate, Romblon. Alam ko na kung taga saan kayo. Ang ulam nyo naman, para at least may ma-comment din naman kayo dyan for today's video. Pero alam nyo bakit? Pinupuksa pa din tayo ng mga bashers. No? Ang dami talaga mga bashers for today's video na andyan sa comment section natin. Pero hayaan na natin sila. Gawa natin ito reaction video, yung mga videos naman na tingnan natin kung may questioning ba tayo dito, kung ano ba ang pwede natin explain dito para at least ma-reach din naman natin ang mga mahihinang nilalang na naniniwala sa mga video na nakikita nila na hindi sila gumagawa ng research. Charis, alam nyo, may chika ako sa inyo Feeling ko, durog na sila. Durog na durog sila. Hindi yung alam ko matatag na nilalang yan yung gumagawa ng basher. Pero feeling ko durog na talaga sila kasi yung mga bashers nila andito na talaga sa atin channel. Pili talaga nilang pinipilit ang gusto nilang gustong malaman nila. So anyways, without further ado, let's all watch this. Ayan, Asa Panong Barda. Ay, may kwento siya. Kain tayo falafel.
It's about showing genuine chemistry, respect, and teamwork. Unfortunately, like many...
Wait lang, bakit may unfortunately kasi nasabi? Pero ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Sabi ko, hindi kami galit. Hindi kami galit. Or ako, gusto ko nang i-clear ha. Ako, I myself, and based din sa mga POV ni Madam Inertia, na nakikita ko, hindi kami galit. Kung may girlfriend si David, hindi kami galit. Ang galit na namin is ini-invade ninyo Ini-invade ninyo yung privacy. And aside from that na invading his privacy is ginagawa nyo ng kwento yung mga literato na napaka-superstitious. Alam nyo yun? Siyempre, hindi nyo alam yung superstitious, diba? Diba? Ginagawa nyo sila ng istorya na dapat it's not your story to tell. Actually, even it's your story to tell, pero ang ginagawa mo kasing story, ang ginagawa nilang istorya, is, alam mo yung, ang goal is to give, or to something like, mag-create ng hate train. You know what I mean? Doon kami nagagalit. Kaya kami nagko-content dito. Kasi, kaya kami nagko-content as a promotion. Kung nakikita nyo, may mga endorsement, pinopromote. Ang movie ni David, pinopromote. Ang movie ni Barbie, pinopromote. Yun nga, yun Pero kasi sa inyo, negativity, sinisira nyo sila. Buti sana kung may katotohanan. O sabihin na natin may katotohanan. Pero kasi ang istorya ninyo, hindi accurate sa pinapakita yung resibo. Diba? Lilinawin ko lang ha, hindi ako galit kung totoo mang girlfriend ni David yan. Okay? Hindi ako galit doon. Galit ako or sadyang disappointed lang sa mga Barda before na naniniwala talaga agad without checking the facts and hindi nila naalala kung saan talaga tayo nagsimula and bakit may Barda na fandom. Diba? Doon lang ako medyo na umaalma talaga na parang bakit? Kasi di ba dati may girlfriend naman sila kanya-kanya Okay lang din naman. Pero ngayon kayo ng train? Nagki-create kayo ng train? Di ba? You know what I mean? Anyways.
Public figures, you are not safe from negativity and fake news. Some people spread false stories for the content and...
Exactly the point. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Na parang picture pa lang nakikita ninyo. Pero ang mga pinipili nilang picture, mga pangit tingnan si David. Yun yung problema dun Anyways, for the views.
And they try to ruin your image or shake the trust of fans. This is sad because Barbie and David have worked so hard to build their careers.
Exactly the point. Sinabi ko nito ata sa isang reaction video ko na parang David started from the scratch. Di ba? Ginawa niya yung pangalan niya. Walang shortcut. Di ba? Walang shortcut. Tapos sisirain nyo lang ng mga ganyan. That's not giving.
And give happiness to their supporters.
Mm-mm.
This is my stand on the chaos and issues that's been happening on Barda.
Go.
For me, fake news is just a noise. I don't believe in
What? Wait, what? It's just a
It's
noise.
just a noise. I don't believe in all of them. I'm not bothered at all because I believe that Barda is real.
Exactly.
In today's world, bashers and fake news have become a sad reality, especially for public figure like Barda.
Exactly.
Their main goal is to affect someone's emotions and mental
Mental
health.
health.
And with us,
Someone
Barda fans,
referring to
someone
us.
pick us for us
Tayo
to
yun.
throw our support to Barda
Mm.
and get us out of the ship and to destroy the fandom. But instead of letting them win, it's important to stay strong and rise above the noise. Bashers usually attack out of envy, insecurity, or misunderstanding. Fake news only gains power if people believe and spread it without checking facts. Not all news and
Diba?
photos posted online are true.
Sana mapanood to. Sana, in fairness, ang galing ng gumawa ng analysis, ha? In fairness. Is this you, Binibining Anonymous? The format is really familiar, eh.
Above the noise. Bashers usually attack out of envy,
Mm-mm.
insecurity, or misunderstanding. Fake news only gains power if people believe and spread it without checking facts.
Exactly the point. Yan din yung purpose namin ni Madam Inertia, and ako. Kasi, parang, pinaglalaban namin kung, ano mo yung factual checking talaga eh. Factual checking is the importance of this, of this chaos, should I say.
News and photos posted online are truths. Don't be a victim of those.
Mm.
Be vigilant and responsible fan by checking facts and analyzing every
I
detail
love
of
it.
the issues. And most importantly, unless the person involved confirms it, then there's no reason to believe those fake news peddlers.
My God, thank you so much for doing this.
The best way to fight back is not through hate, but being responsible.
Mm-mm.
Spreading positivity, showing kindness,
Sana miss-
truth, and consistency.
Exactly.
As supporters and fans of Barda, we should remember that our role is to uplift one another, defend true facts, and spread encouragement rather than getting dragged into negativity.
Mm-hmm.
In the end, truth always shines, and love always overpowers hate. Ultimately, the truth will always prevail.
Mm.
So no matter what happens, don't withdraw your support as a
As Barda
Barda.
fan.
Keep the ship sailing.
Mm.
What
Keep the
truly
ship sailing.
matters is how Barda continues to shine, not only on screen but also through their
Humanity
humanity
and
and dedication.
I love that.
As we can all see, Barda is just nonchalant about all the issues and chaos around them. They are not affected at all, so why can't we do the same?
Exactly the point. Hindi, ang akin lang naman dito, Barda Special, no? Bakit ako apektado? Kasi in-explain ko lang din naman talaga. Kasi naghihirap din naman tayo to build their, hindi naman to build their career, but to promote them as well, di ba? Pero ang akin lang naman kasi, they're invading the privacy of David Licauco and kung sino man yung, hindi na si David, pati yung mga kasama nila doon sa shortcut. Di ba?
And to fellow fans,
Na wala naman
stay
silang papel
strong,
sa
Ignore
society.
those false rumors and focus
Bakit
on the
nila
truth
i-invade? Sino
Barda
ka?
brings us.
Di ba?
By choosing kindness and unity, we can create
Unity.
a
Anak ko, allergic ako dyan sa Unity na yun. Nag-away-away na sila ngayon ng humba doon sa dahig.
Love and support. After all, real fans protect, respect, and continue to believe in their idols no matter what.
Exactly.
I
Oh my God, I
repeat,
love
I
this.
believe that Barda is real. I am Team Panatag and Matatag.
I love you. Sino
I
ka?
hope all of you Barda fans will do the same. Be Panatag. Be
Exactly.
strong,
Wait lang. Gusto ko si Barda Special. Check na natin to. Check na natin to. Ito ko pala, ma'am. Okay. Okay. Ang mga sinabi niya, on point, ha? Hindi natin yung mga, yun talaga yung yun yung in-spread natin dito, eh. In fairness, on point yung mga sinabi niya. Anyways, what is this?
Alden, vocal naman ako. Kahit sino naman yung magtanong
Pizza ko to.
tatanungin, sasagutin ko naman ang direction. Ayun ako sa kanya. Pero hindi siya nanligaw. Walang ganun. Alam ni Alden yun, sinabi ko naman sa kanya rekta. Pero hindi siya naligaw.
Alam mo, Blair,
Friends na,
nanghihingil
pero
ako sa'yo kasama yung takong mo sa dibdib, ha?
Noon? Oo naman, kasi in love ako sa kanya. In love ako talaga. At alam niyo lahat yan, mga tapos.
Kaya ako doon lumiti.
Na-inlove talaga pala. Na-inlove pala talaga.
You fall for May Mendoza.
Totoo ba?
Yes,
Ay.
Yes po.
Anyway, Ano to? Si Madam Cordelia. Take your coffee. I'm drinking my tea. Having my falafel for today's video.
Just a review.
Ay, wait. Papanoorin muna natin to. Puputulin muna natin to kung anong ginawa to ni Madam Inertia. Nagigigil din ako dito kay Madam Inertia. Ang galing-galing niya talaga. So yeah, that is our for today's video. This is Kiji Vlog and see you in my next vlog.